With your service open, click this icon. It looks like a bulleted list at the top of your service panel. This opens up the bulk editor, which can be used to apply backgrounds and foregrounds, auto advance, or transitions to multiple service items at once, or you can even use it to delete multiple service items. Now, a couple of tricks for selecting service items. If you're wanting to select more than one consecutive item, click on the first item, then hold down your Shift key on your keyboard as you click the last item in that consecutive order. To select non-consecutive items, hold down the Control key if you're on Windows or Command if you're on Mac, and use your mouse to select each item you want as you're holding that key down. Once your items are selected, choose what you want to do here on the right. This is a great time-saving trick for if you want to use, for example, the same motion background behind all the songs, or you want to set your pre- and post-service slides to auto-advance, or to apply a specific fade time to all your service items. For more information specifically about auto-advance or auto-scrolling slides, please visit the auto-advance article in the support docs section of our website. There is also a short video specifically about this feature that you can use to learn more. Now for this demonstration, I'll just apply a simple background to all the songs in my service. I'm using the Control or Command key to select all the songs that I want, and then I'm selecting Set Background. For the background, I want to use a media item, and I'm going to select this neutral blur option. So now you can see a background has been applied to all of these service items, and we can even preview them in our service. Then if I decide I don't like that, I can go back into the bulk editor, select those same songs, and change them to a different background, or remove the background altogether by setting it to none.